Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to check out the Gold Pulse expert advisor for both MT4 and MT5. This expert advisor is available for both the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, but I am focusing on the MetaTrader 5, using it as a reference to explain and review the Gold Pulse expert advisor. Now, before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5, and this robot has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You name it, it's there. So it's for free, 100% free. So be sure you check it out. The link is in the description below, and I look forward to your reviews on it. And this Gold Pulse EA we're talking about is from a developer named Vasily Strokov. Yeah, this is a very popular developer in the MT4 community, and it's built specifically for trading gold, XAUUSD. The seller presents it as a smart multi-strategy expert advisor that mixes 3 different systems into one clean package. Sounds interesting for prop traders, so let's break it down properly. According to this page, the MT4 page, the Gold Pulse combines intraday swing trading, session-based execution, and daily range strategies. And the idea is it adapts to whatever the market throws at it instead of sticking to just one style. It's designed for the 5-minute time frame on XAUUSD only, and it works on hedging accounts, and it needs your broker server time set to GMT+2 or GMT+3, and they say it's built with simplicity in mind. No complicated set files, just attach it on the gold chart, just one gold chart, and you're good. Minimum deposit is only $300, but it can run on any balance. Yeah, and there's no greed, there's no martingale, no scalping. They really emphasize the clean, disciplined execution model. But the no scalping they talk about, it's on the 5-minute time frame, but they still advise that it doesn't scalp, which means that it's kind of like selective. And that's about the copy on this page. There's also mention of real-time results, but on going to real-time results, there's nothing there. I'm going to the real-time results. Okay, I think there's nothing here on the signal, and that's another thing to watch out for. Some of them promise real-time results like this, but we don't get to see them. And they throw in a free support and trend scanner indicator as a bonus after purchase. Overall, it reads like a straightforward gold specialist made for consistency rather than crazy high frequency stuff. Yeah, and this is it. They have some crazy numbers here. $239,000 in total net profits from their backtest from January 2025 to March 2026. And this is their equity curve. This is how it works in real time. It looks selective because the chart is clean. There are very few trades opened, and this is how it looks, basically the Gold Pulse EA. Talking about the settings, we have the settings focuses heavily on risk management, which is nice to see. You've got auto risk modes with levels from low to extreme, or you can go manual with percentage of balance, fixed dollar amount, or fixed lot size. There is also a global account protection feature. There's max daily risk limit that you can enable, and there are identification settings for magic number and trade comment are there, but pretty standard. The whole thing runs as one instance on a single chart, managing all internal systems. Seller keeps stressing how easy it is to set up and how it's suitable for prop firm trading. But is it true? Well, I had the opportunity to run my own backtest on this expert advisor, and I put it through the paces myself. I ran the backtest on every tick data from April 21st, 2025 to April 24th, 2026 on a 10k account with 1% risk per trade. And the equity curve starts pretty flat for the first couple of months, and then it begins climbing with some choppy periods, as you can see around here. And we have some periods where we have a few noticeable drawdowns where it dips hard here, this area here, and then it really takes off during strong trading moves later in the year before pulling back towards the end. And this is synonymous with the gold trend. Gold was trending during this period, so we can see this lovely curve. Net profit came in over $500,000 on paper, but the profit factor was only 1.16, and max balance drawdown hit 46.5%, and equity drawdown went to 51%. Win rate sat around 73 to 74%, which actually lines up pretty close to what the developer shows. The thing is, those big losing trades, one hit over 100k loss, and those can wipe out months of gains in a single hit. You know how it is. So developers publish results look cleaner with higher profit factor and lower relative drawdown, probably from different risk settings or periods. In my test, it clearly loves strong trending markets and high volatility breakouts, and it holds winners nicely for days, but it gets chopped up in ranging conditions. And it performs well in trending markets, performs very well in trending markets. You can see this is a trending market. Clearly buying, clearly bullish on gold, and it just entered here, had its take profit. And here's another trending example, entered here, held on through this choppy movement, had its take profit here. So it works well in trending and trends. And features from the inputs that actually matter are the risk mode, the daily risk cap, and running it on a proper low spread broker with the correct server time. So this is exactly what's in the input section, and that's about it for this expert advice. So honestly, gold pause is a decent gold swing system with solid risk controls built in, and the catch is those big drawdowns are very real with this style of trading, especially on news events or when gold decides to reverse hard. Live results will almost always be a bit worse due to slippage on 5-minute breakouts, so it's not going to give you a super smooth equity curve, and you should keep that in mind. This one's actually for experienced prop traders who already understand gold and can handle 40 to 50% drawdowns without panicking, as you've seen with the tests. And it runs good on an ECN broker, a good ECN broker. If you're new and you have a small account, or you need steady low volatility growth, you are better off looking elsewhere. And if you found this review helpful of the Gold Pulse EA, smash the like button and subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next review. We're going to be dropping lots of reviews like this in the coming weeks, and drop in the comments which EA you want me to test next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description. It's actually worth it, and trade safe out there. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.